Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bottle of Grainshine. At the winemaking area, just click Bottle of Grainshine and it will show you the recipe. You'll need 24 Grainbow, 10 cooking mix, and 3 Seltzam egg. If you don't have this recipe yet, just make more popberry wines first. The next step is to make some Grainbow. You can buy the Grainbow seeds at Bucks Galore. And when you're ready, go to some empty soil and plant the Grainbow. After you do this, make sure to water them all. After 1 hour, they'll be ready to harvest. Here you see I already have Seltzam egg in my inventory. If you have chickens in a coop, you have a 10% chance of that chicken giving you a Seltzam egg. It's also easy for you to buy this egg at the marketplace for fairly cheap. And for the third ingredient, you need to buy the cooking mix from Bucks Galore. You'll need to buy 10 to make the Grainshine. After you have all of the ingredients, go to the winemaking area. Click Bottle of Grainshine. Here you'll see you'll get 176 XP for making this drink. And as long as you have 24 Grainbow, 10 cooking mix, 3 Seltzam egg, you should be able to create the bottle of Grainshine within 3 minutes. Keep watching until the end of the video and I'll show you how much you can sell the Grainshine for at the marketplace. As we all know, everyone's been feeling like they're short on coins since the last update. If you have the energy to spare, I would recommend making some of these wines and selling it at the marketplace. Now my bottle of Grainshine is ready and I'm going to collect it. Over the next couple of days, I sell the Grainshine at the marketplace, and now I'm going to show you the varying costs on different days. The first time I checked the marketplace, the Grainshine was going for 2,320 coins. On the higher end, somebody was trying to sell it for 2,335 coins. Based on the current marketplace pricing, I'm able to choose what I should price my Grainshine at so that it will sell. I normally don't like pricing my item too low, as then it feels like it's a race to zero for people trying to sell at the marketplace. Here, I chose a price that's a couple coins higher than the lowest price. To me, that seems fair. I've seen it firsthand when people keep trying to list for the lowest pricing and everyone drives the price down when that happens. Here you'll see me list it somewhere in the middle. So here on April 2nd, you'll see I did have to lower my pricing, but I was eventually able to sell it for 2,244 coins, and after the fee, it was 2,019 coins that I got in return. Here I'm checking a few days later on April 5th, and you'll see the price has dropped significantly. Now the same item is priced at 1,500 coins. That's almost an 800 coin difference. Given that pricing, tell me in the comments section if you think the Grainshine is worth making and selling at the marketplace. As always, if you thought this video was helpful, please smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on the next one.